An easy way to find your kidneys is to place your middle fingers on your navel and then slide those middle fingers towards the sides of your body horizontally. Place the thumbs on the back, and on the thumb points, rotate your hands to hold them over the lower back just below the floating ribs. For the kidney tapping, we use the inside of the first finger and thumb. We bend the knee, we lean forward, and we tap on the kidneys themselves with the inside of the first finger and thumb. We do this for about 30 to 60 seconds. And you can also move up and down the back on the sides of the spine. These are the energy lines that connect to the kidneys as well. So you can tap up and down the back, all around, releasing blockages, getting the energy flow, and helping to keep your kidneys strong. Then we rub that first finger and thumb over the kidneys to keep the kidneys warm. The kidneys really like to be warm. Then we take the hands and we pat the kidneys, and this helps to send more energy into the kidneys. When we're done, we come back to the standing position and we simply breathe into the kidneys and into the hands for anywhere from 10 to 30 to 60 seconds. Wherever your mind goes, the energy flows. So you guide the breath and energy into your kidneys, taking deep abdominal breaths, and send that energy right into your kidneys.